Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to code a light follower or a light seeking robot. So let me show you what we're going to be learning today. So I'm going to put a flashlight on the robot light sensor. Oh, I have to turn it on first. Forgot that little detail. Alright, so here we go. So if I go on this side, it will turn to my right. If I put the flashlight in this side, it will turn the other way. And if I keep it on, it will just follow wherever the light is going. If I don't put the light, it will stop. And again, it will just follow me or follow the light everywhere. Alright, so let's take a look of the code. Alright, so let's take a look of the code. This is the code for the light follower. Here is where my motors are located. Right motor on 6, left motor on 5. This is how I control the directions of those motors. Over here is where the light sensors are located, and this is my threshold for the flashlight. These were some variables that we're gonna take a look later on, and this is the first function that is gonna control the speed of the motor. You have R motor and L motor. Those values for this could go anywhere between minus 254 to 254. If it's positive, it goes into this set of instructions. If it's negative, it goes into this set of instructions. And the same thing for the left motor, right here and right here. Yeah, so you guys can take a look of this and understand it. If you have questions about it, just write me a comment and I'll get back to you. But I'm just gonna move on a little bit to keep the video as short and simple as possible. So let's move on to the next function, which is right here, and this is the function for the light sensor. We have two sensors in my case, the right and the left, and a variable called level, and I'm reading the value of the sensors over here and over here, and I'm using those values to have different levels, which so when the light sensor left is bigger than threshold flashlight, which is this value is 400, and when the light sensor right is greater than threshold flashlight, then level 1 equals 2, which means go forward. And else if only one sensor, in this case the right sensor, is greater than 400, level is equal to 2, which means turn right. Else if light sensor left is greater than threshold flashlight, level is equal 3, turn left. And I return the value of those levels. This is an important instruction to put so you can use the value of the level. Alright, so let's move on to the setup. I have 4 outputs: my left motor, my right motor, the direction of my right motor, the direction of my left motor, and I have also 2 inputs, which is the right sensor and the left sensor. We have the void loop, and we have the instruction while 1, and then we are assigning here the light sensor value to light level, and this value could be 1, 2, 3, which is these values over here, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm gonna use those values to control the speed of the motor. So in this case, when light's level is equal 1, I want the motor to go straight forward. Else, if light level is equal to, I want the motor to turn right. Else, if light level is equal 3, I want the motor to turn left. And else, I want the motor to stop. Alright guys, so this is the code. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you have questions, again, don't hesitate to ask me. And yeah, so thank you for watching.